All right guys, we got the H26 out here. Had to do some repairs. So I was talking to Mad Lizard the other day, and he was mentioning to me that the water that might be coming up through the back of the stuffing tube and through the tube like a worm drive and coming and splashing into the boat. So he mentioned to put a piece of heat shrink between that and that right there to see if that's where the cause was. So when I took the strut off last night to put the heat shrink on, I realized that the strut completely got broken out of here. So I reinforced the crap out of her, reset her, and we got a 4S pack in here, an SMC. We got the GPS. Where is it? We got the GPS. Yeah, we're getting ready to start tracking. There we go. And honestly, it doesn't really matter what we're doing right now. We're really here to check for water and to check for turning capabilities. So I'll get her all started up, I'll tape her up, and then we'll throw her in the water, guys. We'll over here and just kind of get an idea of how she's acting. Not bad. Don't hit these buoys. About 3/4 throttle. Taking these turns not bad now that I have more space. Pretty stable, guys. It's not even full throttle. I'm about half throttle in this back stretch, and I was about 3/4 throttle when we came around. Yep. And that's why we got a rescue boat. She's moving nicely, guys. Probably need to move that rudder, I would say, another 1/4 inch. I was talking to Mad Lizard again about that. It's supposed to be 1.5 inches off the center line. But, oh, ha! Talking about the rudder. Wow, brought her back just in time, guys. Look at that. We lost our little set screw. I don't even think I have anything here. Well, boys, I can tell you. Oh no, we didn't. Set screw's still up there. Wow, we'll go tighten that and we'll go check for water. All right, guys, back to the car. I'm gonna open her up. Oh, guys, we're dry. Wow, for the first time in a long time. And that's like the tiniest bit of water, but there's freaking grease everywhere. Ugh, I don't like that, but whatever. All right, 394. Yeah, we still got more, but since I got her opened up, I'll probably throw in another pack. Now, you know what? Let's just close her up with this pack. Let's see what she did real quick. Come on, Bluetooth, here we go. 48. Oh my God. It's like the magic number for me these past few days. All right, guys, we're all taped up again. can't believe the set screw was still there. Wow, that hopefully is a good sign, right? We'll see. Guys, don't do what I'm doing. You know what I'm doing? Running my boat with no foam, and right by this concrete curb, trying to get some footage for myself mostly, not for you guys, you know what I mean? I'm just messing around. Oh, she turns nice, guys. She turns really nice. Turn the dual rate on the transmitter down a little. Just taking those turns, guys. Ooh, that was nice. That was really nice. Nice sweep over there. I had to talk. Look at that beautiful rooster tail, guys. Thank God the water's clean today. Half throttle this whole time, honestly. It's full throttle. And that battery's probably toast now. Definitely happy with that, guys. All right. Yeah, we still got a little bit of water. Well, a lot. A lot. Anyway, so Mad Lizard is saying that the water is coming in through here and working its way back up, hitting the drive dog and working its way back up the drive line like a worm drive, and pumping water into the boat. So now that we know that it was not actually the drive line that was giving us water, because it looked sealed, honestly, like I checked it. It wasn't just like profusely leaking or anything. It wasn't even leaking. Either way, we're gonna put some heat shrink on, just like Mad Lizard said, and we'll see if that remedies the problem. All right, guys, I'm not gonna keep running her. I'm not gonna keep running her. She's getting water in, obviously, and whatever we're doing over here with the stuffing tube had no issue, had no connection with that, you know? So I'm assuming it's like what Mad Lizard said, and we're gonna figure this out right over here. We're gonna put a piece of heat shrink on here and come back out tomorrow and see if she's dry. All right, guys, so thanks for tuning in. See you next time.